What else do you find?
It's for me!
It's for the kitchen.
It's a little pan. It's a little pan.
It's a little pan.
Can I open it, please?
Yeah. And a flashlight? Hey, you could have your own flashlight to read your book at night. Is that good or what? What do you say?
Thank you. David, can I open this, Mom? Sure, yes.
Sure.
Okay.
Oh, I think you might have grabbed